Hello everyone, my name is Rohit. I am a school student just like you. Today I will share my simple daily routine. I wake up at 6 am. I do not use my phone first. I drink a glass of water. Then I do light exercise for 10 minutes. It helps me feel fresh. After that, I get ready for school. I eat breakfast because it gives me energy. In school, I try to listen carefully. I do my work and homework on time. I also spend time with my friends because school is not only about study. When I come home, I eat lunch. Then I take some rest. After that, I start my homework. I keep my phone away while studying. I study for some time, then take a short break. This helps me stay focused. In the evening, I play outside. At night, I have dinner with my family. Then I do light revision. Before sleeping, I pack my school bag. I also plan my next day. I sleep at 10:30 p.m.